field than a... I don't know, where do you want me to stand, or here, or this way? Huh? Like this?
There, you're perfect.
Okay, for the M-horn tuning, there's 2 ways you can do it. If it's on the bench, what you want to do is, outdoor tuning is a little different out in the field than it would be if you were working on it on a workbench. If you had this on a workbench, what I would do is on an M3, I'd have the 1 and 2 bells stripped off, and I'd have the 2 ports blocked off. So I could just tune my number 4 bell alone, voice it, set it, and then add your 2 bell. You go from the highest to the lowest bells, because you want this number 2 bell, as I apply that, it would just speak just before the number 4. Then I put the 1 on, and it would just sound just ahead of the number 2. But in the field now, what you have to do is basically a little reversal, is over tighten these somewhat to basically shut them off so I can tune the number 4 bell without these sounding. So what we're going to do,
I don't know what's what in there, but
Here comes Bill.
Bill! I'll have to have him work it while I voice, because I can't reach. He's got the valve too far off there. You want to work that horn valve while I adjust that? Because I can't reach it. You're set up for the. You're set up for the. How much air do you have? That'll be okay for the voicing. Then we can pump it up when it's all set. But you want to, that's this line here, I'm assuming. I can't reach it, so you want to...
Get on the other side.
All right. Just give it a soft, very soft pull. Try not to open it up. What you're hearing is basically you're hearing the diaphragm just flopping around loose in the head here. It's not seating itself properly to make a clean note. Now you're going to hear it. Okay, start giving a little air. Hear that go from a buzzing to a clean note. So the number 4, let's set it.
So Ken, that's pretty much it for the first bell?
Yeah, this is out in this is the field tuning where I've over tightened these to shut that, basically hold them back, so I could, otherwise they're gonna normally would speak ahead of this 4 bell. But we've got the 4 bell, we've heard it blow a clean note now. So we'll go back to the 2. Okay, Bill, give it a little air. I'm going to block this off, 1 bell off, so it won't blow at all. And then I want to hear it, open her up to the point they both speak. I want to hear how much ahead of the 2 should sound, just a little ahead of the 4. make sure I got it right. Sometimes you have to readjust. Okay, just give it to the solid. Open the pole. A little, but do it so the a little bit gently more. Now start slower. Sounds close enough.
Yeah, I just unplugged it.
All right, give it a little till we get that number 1 bell. So, just easy, just to get this to vibrate. Now what are we down to in air pressure?
80.
Yeah, build it up. I would say build it up for a full. I'm just going to give it a little test while he's building the air. I'm gonna, if you want to stand back or stay there, but it'd be pretty loud this time. Well, here we go. Say it's tuned.